Like a boss.
All right, so he took you to McDonald's. Okay, look, man. If a guy ever takes you out to McDonald's, he's a great guy. Okay, he's an incredible guy. In fact, I believe that if a guy takes you out to McDonald's, it's a sign that he is falling in love with you. By the way, people, don't forget to hit the notification, subscribe to the channel if you like it, and hit the notification to get notified. All right, you see right there, and then join the channel if you guys want to be part of the channel. Okay, but if a guy takes you out to McDonald's, he is the kind of guy you want to go out with because he's not materialistic. You see what I'm saying? And look, if the guy says you can only get the dollar menu, ladies and gentlemen, like you have to sort of, how can I say this? You have to understand that he's going through a tough time, ladies and gentlemen. So if a guy takes you out to McDonald's, be happy. He's, I know he's struggling. He knows this is hard. He knows he's even ashamed of the fact he's taking you to McDonald's. But you have to be understanding. You see, the world is not all about money, right? So if a guy takes you out to McDonald's, just say thank you. I don't care if he's 30 or 40 and lives with his mom. It's who he is. It's who he is. And look, you know what? And if he gives you, if he lets you have the Big Mac, this is the best that he could do. And you know what I'm saying? So if he doesn't give you the Big Mac and just gives you the Happy Meal, hey, at least he's giving you a Happy Meal, not a happy ending, right? So look, man, we gotta stop judging men who take women out to McDonald's. There is nothing wrong with McDonald's. In fact, I think McDonald's kind of good. I like the dollar menu. Remember last week I took a girl out. I let her get the chicken pie. No, not the chicken pie. The apple pie. She looked a little sad, but she liked it. She said thank you. And I texted her. I haven't heard from her yet, but I bet she'll text me back pretty soon. So she watches my channel, so I bet she's just playing the long game. But it was good. Like I remember. I took her and she was like, she looked a little, don't get me wrong, I was a little confused because she looked confused. And I'm like, I don't know why she's acting confused because she looked confused. But I just assumed maybe she had a long day and stuff like that, And she came dressed up beautifully, like, in a dress, and her makeup was on. And when she saw me, she was happy, everything was on. And like, she was like, oh my God, you're such an amazing guy. I can't wait. Where you going to take me? I didn't let her know I was going to take her to McDonald's. I just told her, hey, man, I have a surprise for you. I was like, hey, are you adventurous? Are you random? Do you feel like a child? And stuff like that. And I'm not going to lie. Something happened when we went to McDonald's. Maybe she got sick. I don't know. Maybe she started thinking of the long day she had. I don't fucking know. But the point is that when we went to McDonald's, I mean, she had a tough time picking because, like, she was on her phone. I don't know what happened. Like, she was on her phone. And like she was just like, I was like, what are you gonna get? She was like, wait 1 second, I gotta take my homegirl. And I'm like, oh, I bet it's an emergency. So, she was on the phone. I'm not gonna lie. I felt a little disrespect that she was on her phone. And I was gonna end the date there because I'm like, I'm not taking that kind of disrespect, right? 1 second. Sorry about that. I just saw like an ant. There was like a little ant fight. Ants were fighting. Sorry about that. Anyways, so yeah, man, and I'm hoping to hear from her. I bet she's just, again, she watches my channel and she does that. But don't be like her, ladies and gentlemen. If a guy takes you out to McDonald's, be nice. When he takes you out to McDonald's, say thank you for the time, and then and text him back, and yeah, it's not a big deal when a guy takes you out to McDonald's, ladies. He's not broke at all, all right? At all, he's not broke at all, okay? So yeah, man, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, all right? Maybe next time I'll talk about, maybe, what's another video that I should make for you guys? I don't know. Let me think about it. I'll think about it, but I have more dating advice for you guys that go along this line. And if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know what other videos I should make. Maybe it's okay if he takes a month to text you back. I don't know. Maybe he's had a long day. Maybe he's had a long month, you know? Or maybe it's okay for him to live with his ex because his ex, they're friends. It's okay. Nothing wrong with that. You have to be understanding of his position, all right? Anyways, ladies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope some of you guys have a sense of humor. Enjoy your day.
All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that, specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your nonverbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.